Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video, because today we're showcasing 20 woodworking tools every carpenter should own in 2026. From smart measuring gadgets to powerful cutting and finishing tools, these game-changing products can boost accuracy, save time, and make every project easier. Stay with us until the end and discover the must-have tools every workshop needs.
Infinity Tools, Magswitch, Universal Featherboard. The Infinity Tools, Magswitch. Universal Featherboard Pro is a precision-engineered magnetic featherboard designed to enhance safety, accuracy, and efficiency in woodworking. Featuring two powerful rare earth magnets with a breakaway force of 126 pounds, it provides a firm, adjustable hold on any ferrous surface. No mitre slot required. The dual-sided design allows both left and right-handed use, while micro-adjustable bump stops ensure repeatable precision. Ideal for table saws, band saws, and router tables, it offers superior control, reduces kickback, and improves cut consistency, making it a must-have tool for serious woodworkers. Stanley FM-HT 1 Folding Workbench. The Stanley FM-HT 81528-1 Folding Workbench is a practical, wall-mounted solution for small workshops, garages, and sheds where space efficiency is essential. Built with a durable laminated MDF surface, it provides a solid and reliable workspace that supports up to 100 kilograms. The integrated pegboard offers organized tool storage with 10 hooks and a parts tray. When not in use, the bench folds flat against the wall and locks securely in place, ensuring safety and convenience. Designed for quick installation and everyday functionality, this compact foldable workbench delivers Stanley's signature reliability in a space-saving, versatile design, ideal for modern DI years. Woodpeckers Micro-Square. The Woodpeckers Micro-Square is a compact precision tool crafted for detailed woodworking and tight joinery layouts. Manufactured in Strongsville, Ohio, this pocket-sized square comes in two types, combination and double square, each featuring two interchangeable stainless steel blades. The 1/2 inch blade is ideal for general layout work, while the 1/4 inch skinny blade fits into tight spaces like dovetail sockets. With precision machined stainless steel construction, a brass clamping knob, and a lifetime accuracy guarantee, the Micro-Square delivers exceptional reliability, portability, and accuracy for professionals and hobbyists alike. Gorilla Waterproof Wood Glue. Gorilla Waterproof Wood Glue is engineered for strength, versatility, and durability in both indoor and outdoor woodworking. The Gorilla Ultimate Waterproof Wood Glue Type 1 offers 100% waterproof protection that meets the ANSI/HPVA Type Y standard, making it ideal for outdoor furniture and high moisture projects. It provides a long open time for precise alignment and dries to a natural tan finish. The Type 2 version is water resistant, easy to use, and perfect for general woodworking tasks. Both formulas deliver strong, sandable, and paintable bonds, while cleaning up easily with water, ensuring professional results every time. Trend Single Pocket Hole Jig. The Trend Single Pocket Hole Jig, PH/JIG/BS, is a compact, durable, and easy-to-use jig designed for creating strong single pocket hole joints quickly and accurately. Perfect for small projects, repairs, and tight workspaces, it combines portability with precision. Constructed from glass-reinforced nylon, it offers strength without added weight. Key features include a hardened steel drill guide, adjustable depth settings for various material thicknesses, built-in gauges, wood chip relief, and a versatile end stop. The kit also includes essential accessories like an HSS drill bit, collar, square drive bit, and screws. Everything you need for efficient pocket hole joinery. Milescraft SAND-IT. The Milescraft SAND-IT Model 1622 is a compact and innovative multi-surface hand sanding block designed for versatility and control. Featuring 4 unique profiles, flat, concave, convex, and tight corner edges, it allows you to sand virtually any shape or surface with a single tool. Its patented snap lock system makes changing sandpaper quick and effortless using standard quarter sheets. Lightweight and ergonomic, the SAND-IT fits comfortably in your hand, making it perfect for detailed finishing, small projects, and tight spaces, an essential upgrade for any woodworker's toolkit. GOINGMAKE Zero 24 Track Saw. The GOINGMAKE Zero 24 Track Saw is a high-precision parallel guide system designed to upgrade compatible track saws, not a standalone saw. It features micro-adjustable flip stops for repeatable cuts with up to 0.001 inch accuracy to 53 inch cut capacity, and an easy zero calibration knob. Built from durable aluminum alloy, it includes dual imperial and metric scales, and works with popular brands like Festool, Makita, and Milwaukee. Milescraft 1343 Shelf Jig. The Milescraft 1343 Shelf Jig is a practical solution for drilling perfectly aligned shelf pin holes in cabinets and built-ins. It supports both 1/4 inch and 5mm pins with standard 32mm spacing for wide compatibility. A clear polycarbonate body improves accuracy, while repositionable fences offer flexible setbacks. Indexing pins ensure straight, continuous rows, and the included depth stop delivers consistent 10mm holes every time. A AUXTUR Cabinet Jig. The AUXTUR Cabinet Jig is a precision, adjustable template designed to simplify cabinet handle and pull installation. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it features laser engraved metric and imperial scales for accurate, repeatable drilling. Adjustable spacing and vertical positioning accommodate common hardware sizes, while included PVC spacers enhance stability on recessed fronts. Compact, foldable, and easy to set up, this jig saves time and ensures professional results for both DIY users and cabinet installers. AONLLEN DJ 710 Dowel Jointer. The AONLLEN DJ 71 Zero Dual Spindle Dowel Jointer is a powerful woodworking tool built for fast, accurate, and repeatable dowel joints in furniture and cabinetry projects. Its dual spindle system drills 2 perfectly aligned holes with standard 32mm spacing, while the 710-watt high-speed motor delivers smooth performance in hardwoods. Adjustable depth, height, and angle settings ensure precise joints, and the all-metal construction provides long-lasting durability. KETIPED Dowel Maker Jig. The KETIPED Dowel Maker Jig is a practical woodworking accessory that allows you to create smooth, custom-sized wooden dowels from square stock using a drill or lathe. Built from durable anodized aluminum, it features 8 precision CNC machine diameter options and a long-lasting indexable carbide blade with 4 cutting edges. Its simple adjustment system ensures quick setup, while the compact lightweight design makes it ideal for furniture making, repairs, and DIY woodworking projects. LAXIA Mini Circular Saw. The LAXIA Mini Circular Saw is a compact, versatile cutting tool ideal for precise DIY and home projects. Available in corded and 20-volt cordless versions, it easily cuts wood, plastic, and soft metals. With a 4.5-inch blade, up to 1 11/16 inch cutting depth, laser guide, and rip fence, it ensures accuracy. Safety lock, ergonomic grip, bevel adjustment, and dust adapter make it efficient, safe, and comfortable to use. TOLESA 11-inch metal face clamp. The TOLESA 11-inch metal face clamp is a heavy-duty locking C-clamp built for woodworking, pocket hole joinery, and general fabrication tasks. Made from high-carbon steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, it delivers long-lasting durability. Swiveling jaw pads distribute pressure evenly to prevent surface damage, while the adjustable thumb screw ensures precise clamping force. A comfortable non-slip handle and quick-release lever provide fast, secure, and fatigue-free operation on demanding projects. Milescraft 1341 Drawer Jig. The Milescraft 1341 Drawer Jig is a reversible hands-free solution for precise drawer slide and drawer box installation. One side positions slides accurately inside the cabinet, while the flipped side supports the drawer during mounting. It works with ball bearing, roller, and undermount slides, and fits both framed and frameless cabinets. Built-in levels, alignment fences, anti-marring pads, and a large clamping area ensure fast, repeatable, and damage-free installations by a single user. VONFORN Paint Sprayer. The VONFORN Paint Sprayer is an HVLP electric spray gun built for DIY home projects, delivering smooth, even finishes with less overspray. It features adjustable flow control, 3 spray patterns, and 4 interchangeable nozzles to handle different paint types and surfaces. Unique blowing and cleaning functions simplify prep and maintenance. Lightweight, ergonomic, and easy to assemble. It's ideal for painting furniture, cabinets, fences, and interior walls efficiently. Milescraft 8413 Pin Doctor. The Milescraft 8413 Pin Doctor is a handy handheld tool designed for removing and reinstalling standard door hinge pins safely and efficiently. Its clear polycarbonate body ensures precise alignment, while the solid steel striking pin delivers maximum force without damaging hinges. The flat, non-marring end allows secure pin installation. Durable and easy to use, it protects door finishes during maintenance or remodeling. Perfect for DIYers and professionals, the Pin Doctor simplifies door projects, making hinge pin removal and installation faster, safer, and damage-free. Wen Jig Saw. The Wen Jig Saw is a versatile tool perfect for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners, offering both corded and cordless options. Key features include variable speed control for precise cutting on wood, metal, or plastic, and a 4-position orbital action for faster, cleaner cuts. Integrated laser guides and LED lights improve accuracy, while tool-free blade changes and beveling footplates enhance convenience. Powerful motors, ergonomic design, and dust management features make Wen Jig Saws reliable, efficient, and easy to use for a wide range of projects. ToughBuilt C550 Sawhorse. The ToughBuilt C550 Sawhorse is a heavy-duty, professional-grade tool made from 100% high-grade steel, designed for demanding job site and home projects. It supports up to 1,100 pounds per unit or 2,200 pounds per pair, and can quickly transform into a stable job site table using its 2x4 support arms. With weather-resistant powder-coated and zinc-plated construction, pivoting non-slip feet, fold-flat legs, carry handle, and material support pegs, it ensures durability, stability, and easy transport for a variety of cutting and material handling tasks. Carbide Burr Set. The Carbide Burr Set is a heavy-duty, versatile, rotary toolkit made from premium tungsten carbide, offering unmatched hardness and durability. Ideal for cutting, shaping, grinding, and deburring materials like steel, aluminum, wood, plastics, and ceramics. These burrs deliver precision and efficiency up to 10 times faster than manual tools. With various cut types, single, double, and aluminum cut, and multiple shapes including cylindrical, ball, oval, tree, cone, and flame. The set ensures optimal performance for intricate or general tasks. A sturdy storage case keeps everything organized and protected. DCA Cordless Drill Set. The DCA Cordless Drill Set is built for professionals and serious DIYers, offering power, precision, and versatility. Many models feature efficient brushless motors, 2-speed gearing, and variable torque settings for precise control. Keyless or metal chucks make bit changes easy, while built-in LED lights illuminate work areas. Lightweight, ergonomic designs reduce fatigue, and interchangeable 12-volt or 20-volt batteries provide long runtime. Most sets include multiple batteries, a charger, various drill bits, flexible extensions, and a sturdy carrying case for convenient storage and transport.